Hello everyone, welcome to part 180 of ecom series in Laravel 6, and in this video as well we will continue working on wish list. And in the last video we have seen that we able to add the product in wish list, but few more things we need to do in this video. And first of all I will show you that the product that we have added in wish list. See, please log in to add product in wish list. So first of all we need to log in, and after login we will continue. I am going to log in with one of the user. This is Mac, you can log in with Windows. Okay, I am using that fingerprint for login. So after login you need to go back to that page. That page ID is 21, I think. Okay, let me open that page. This is not the page, that is 21 ID. I'm going to open that. Okay, so this is the product that we are working on. In last video we have added this product in wishlist, but one issue is there that we have added this product in wishlist twice. So first of all we need to add the check that the product already exists in wishlist, and if in case the product already exists in wishlist, then it must display the error message that product already exists in wishlist. Okay, so that thing first of all we will do that thing, and after that we are going to display the wishlist page where products favorite products means user favorite products are adding. Here you can see the list link as well, so user can go to this link anytime and can means view his products and can able to add those products from wish list. Means user can able to add those products in cart as well from wish list, and that thing we will do later on. Okay, so first of all we need to check. So I'm going to add one product from card from here to wish list. Okay, so let me add one product from wish list. You can see the message is coming here, product has been added in wish list. Okay, so I am going to check product has been added in wish list. That's fine. I am going to try one more time. The same product I am going to add. See, I will click on add to wish list button. You can see same product has been added twice, so this is wrong. Here we need to display the error message that product has been already exist in wish list. Okay, so for that thing we will add the condition where we are working on the last time in ProductsController in add to cart function. I will open ProductsController, and after that add to cart function. This is the function that we are working on, and here while inserting the product in wish list, here we require one check to be add. First of all we will calculate wish list count, and if the same product exists in wish list, then we will display the error message. Okay, so here first of all I am going to add the wish list count variable. I will make one new variable, wish list count, like this. Okay, okay, so in this I'm going to calculate that which products are wish list. Is there any products of user in wish list or not, and for that I will check in my table. I will use db table. We don't have model for this one because our table name is not accurate for making the model. You can do some name like wish list, means WISH LISTS, if you want to have wish list model, but here we have not specified that means that name, that table name is not correct. Okay, we have given the table name like wish underscore list, so here we need to use db table. Okay, so here after that we need to check with the user email. Okay, we are using the user email in this table. User email means the email of the user that is unique, we are using in the e-commerce website, and we are going to compare with that, where user email. You can already see that we have already fetched the user email here somewhere. See here, user email is already there. Okay, so we can compare this user mail with this one, dollar user email. like this. Okay, so here now after comparing not only user mail, sorry, not only user mail we will compare, we will also compare the product id, color and size as well. Okay, so few things we need to compare. So we require here object like this, we require to do in array like this. Okay, so this. Okay, so after this one, after user email, we will check product id as well. Product id we are already getting from form, from that wish list form. Okay, from that add to cart form, from the detail page itself we are getting the product id, we are getting the product name, we are getting the product color, we are getting the product size. Okay, so we can take those here and then can check. So here the product id is coming from form, that is product like this. After product id we are also going to compare product color, so that we will make sure that no duplicate product added in wish list. Product color. After product color we have size, so we will compare the size with form size as well, that we are sending from form. Okay, so here is not, we have already I think size, yeah, no, size we need to do in the same way like we have done in the add to cart. We are calculating the size like this. Okay, so we need to take this size there as well, because size is if you will see the size is not coming like this. Okay, I will show you that how the size is coming, so that can create issue. Where we are. Okay, so I will show you. First of all, I will not do anything here I will stop. Okay, so site not added so far, I want to complete this statement here. Okay, so I will first check this site, how site is coming out here from a form. Here I'm going to check this site first. Okay, so let me see the size here. I'm going to select small and see some error has come. I will refresh. Some error has come in our here, some error has come, that's why some issue is coming. Return where user email. Okay, so this one is fine. Okay, here one more. So now it is fine. Okay, so I'm going to select the small size, but when I will add in wish list, here you can see size is small, that is fine, but size is attached with the id as well, product id as well, and that we have done earlier to find the price. When we have done in the earlier videos of our ecom series, we want to give the different price of every product, means comparing with its size. So that's why we have given like this, we are sending like this, both attaching with each other, then we are exploding. Okay, so same thing we need to do here, we need to explode with hyphen and we'll get the small size. Okay, the same thing we have done in add to cart. So simple thing, we will just copy this code that we have done for add to cart as well, and we'll paste for our wish list. So see here, wish list we have already placed this one, so that's why this product size we are entering there. While inserting the site we are using this product size, so here as well we are going to use this product size that we have already calculated. Okay, already means updated. So here we will do size in the same way, but I want to see column name, that what. Okay, size is the column name, that is fine, size. And after that we are going to use this product size that we have already means updated. product size. Okay, now it is fine, and now we will see what is the wish list count here. So based on that count, we will either add the product in wish list or not, that we will decide. Okay, so this one I'm going to remove, this one is not required, and I'm going to save it, and we'll see now. See, 2 times wish list product already added, so I'm going to see that what it will show. It is showing 0. I don't think that it must show 0, because this product has been already added. We will see that why it is showing it like 0. I'm going to first do like this and select small and add to wish list, and see here still 0. So here wish list count must be 2, because this product has already been added in wish list. So we will see that what thing we are lacking here, whether all the data user email is fine. Okay, we are already added the user email, and other things are also fine, size small. Okay, so we are going to compare now. We can compare here. We can see the data that we are entering. Okay, first of all, echo dollar user email, and after that we are going to display the product id. We are going to see in wish list table that this data is matching with that data. Okay, and after that we are going to display the product color, and finally we are going to display the product size. Okay, so now all this data we are going to see that comparing with this data or not. I am going to see here. We'll do control refresh once again, and now we're going to omit 2000 rate of view of mail, and that is fine. And after that 21 is the product id, and that is also fine. And after that there is black color, and that is also fine. Product color is also fine. And after that small size, and small size is also fine. Everything is matching. So we'll see that here user email, the column name is fine, user email is there. And after that product id column is also fine. And after that product color, and product color is also fine. Yeah, that is fine. And sorry, here see the issue. Okay, so silly mistake I have done. I am matching product color with product code. Oh, what a kind of issue. So here must be product color. Now after that size is fine. Okay, so this is the kind of debugging that we need to do every time. If we will get error, we can do such kind of thing. Okay, many of my friends ask that the issue is coming like this, and now what they can do. They can do like this, like I have done. You can simply identify your issue. You can simply debug your code step to step. You can check it out, and where you will find the issue, then means you will get the line that in this line the issue is coming, in this statement the issue is coming. Then deeply try to analyze that. Okay, you will surely find your issue. Okay, so now we will try once again. Now I will do one thing. I am going to make this table as empty. Okay, and I will add the product. First of all, I will add one product, then we'll add the another one as well. See, product has been added in wish list. I'm going to check. So one time that is fine, it is working fine. Now the another time also I'm going to add this product once again, and now the error message must come. So here, okay, we have not done any condition so far. We have just checking it. Okay, so here now 2 must come here. Okay, now the third time I'm going to add the same product in wish list. Now it must show 2, because we are adding it. So you can see the 2 is coming, because 2 times we have already added this product. Now we can't add, only one time is allowed. So here the condition we want to add here I'm going to add one condition, that if wishlist count is greater than 0, then it must show the error. Then we will use that return redirect back with the flash message error that we are going to show product already existing in wishlist. Okay, so that thing we are going to do now. Dollar wishlist count is greater than 0, then return redirect back with flash message error. Product already exists in wishList. Okay, so this is the error message that we are going to display if the wishlist count is greater than 0. Else we can insert the okay, this one we can put there. Just simply select all this code. Okay, and I'm going to move it and yeah, like this. Okay, forward the commands. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now we can check once again. I'm going to make this table empty once again. Now I'm going back and we'll refresh and we'll see first time the must work. Okay, product has been added in wish list, that is fine. Now the next time error message must come. Product already exists in wish list. Okay, so now it is fine. Only one time you can add the product in wish list and next time it will give the error message. Okay, so now we can move forward. Here we now need to create the route in which we can display the wish list products. Okay, we are adding the products in wish list but we can't access it, so there is no use of wish lists. Okay, so the user must have access of wish list page. So one wish list page same like the card page we are going to make. Okay, so for that we are going to create the route first of all. So let's make the route here same like card. We will make the wish list route. Here you can add the route. After this one we can add a card page. Here we will make it like wish list page and here we can make the route. Here we will give the name of wish list page. We will give it like this, wish-list, and we will give the function as well. Function name we can make it like this, wish list. Okay, so this function we are going to create in our wish list in our products controller, and I'm going to create this function simply after card, and here I'm going to create the function public function wish list like this. Okay, so in this wish list we are going to check the products with the user email. In card you can see that we have checked the session ID as well if the user is not logged in, but it will not happen in case of wish list. In case of wish list, user has already logged in. Okay, so here we only one case is there that we are going to do. That is, first of all we will find the user email. Okay, user email here, you know, auth, from auth we will find that user email, auth user email like this. Okay, after finding the user mail, then we can fetch the user wish list. We will name it like this, user wish list, and here we are going to add that table wish list to get the products from the wish list of certain user, of this user that we that is logged in and that is currently accessing the wish list. Okay, so user mail here. So we will use the get because there are many products of the user. And so we can do one more thing here. For getting the images, we can use the same thing here like we have done for card. Okay, so this one we can do it here as well, and here we will make it like this one, same name we are going to use, user wish list. Okay, like this. And after this one also you can use here for giving the name to wish list for SEO that we have done as well. Okay, so this one also you can do, but this one you can need to do outside. Here you can make it instead of shopping cart, here wish list ecom website, view wish list of ecom website, and here also wish list for ecom website like this. Okay, so these are the things, and now we need to return in the same way. So we can just copy this one and we can just simply here. So here we will create one wish list file, put in products folder. Here we will send that user wish list instead of user card. We'll send the user wish list, and rest everything will remain the same. Okay, so now we will create the wish list blade file, and that we are going to create inside the products folder. So open your XAMPP htdocs, then your product name. So in product you will see the resources folder, views, then products, and here you can see the card, the same kind of same kind of file. So we will simply copy this one because it is almost identical page we are going to create for wish list as well. So that's why we are going to copy, and here we will name it wish list, wish underscore list, and this copy we can remove from here like this. Okay, so now it appears to be fine. Wish list page we have created, and I'm going to open this wish list blade file here, and we'll make some changes here. Instead of shopping cart, we will make it wish list here, wish list, and instead of user card we will use here the user wish list. And I will open this page once. This page must open, and for that we will also give the link in front header, wish list, where wish list is displayed. Here we are going to give the URL for wish list as well that we have just created, URL this. Okay, so URL also we have created. Now we can open the wish list from this link. I will refresh and will open this. See, the wish list has opened and only one product is there, and this part is not required in wish list, so we can remove this part, this bottom part from the wish list, that only required in card, because we don't require coupon and other things in wish list. Okay, here you can make wish list item. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. I will refresh the page once again. You can see the wish list page has appeared. This is the product that we have added. Here quantity update is not required, so we can simply show the quantity here. We can simply show this quantity that is coming. This one we can simply show here, and nothing else. Okay, nothing else required. So we can remove everything. This one we can remove, and we can simply show this one like this. And here also we will display one add to cart button along with this one. Along with remove, we will make one add to cart button as well. Okay, so that we are going to show here. So I will do like this, and we'll make one like add to cart. Here I'm going to write add to cart like this. Okay, so let's see here. Here you can see the add to cart button and remove button both are appearing here. Okay, so that is the wishlist page, the product we have added. From there, and user gone and checking his wish list. Okay, if the product has been deleted, if the user delete the product, that we will do in next video, then you can see the wish list is empty, and user can add the product. I am going back and will add the product once again to wish list. I'm going to add this product in wish list. Okay, product added in wish list, then the user can go click on wish list, and user can access the product in wish list. Okay, then after that, add to cart functionality and remove functionality we will do in next video. Okay, so that the product can be added in cart, but first of all we need to check whether the stock is there for this product to be added in cart, and we require the form. That same kind of thing we require, like we do in that detail page. Okay, same kind of thing we require there as well, to add the product in add to cart. Okay, so that thing we will do in next video. You can try up till this one. You can make the wishlist page and try, and also do that thing that duplicate products must not added in wishlist. Okay, so rest of the things we will do in next video. I hope everything is clear. If something is not clear, you can surely contact me in video description, and I hope that no issue is coming at your end, and you can surely contact me for that. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.